Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the Ethernet keeps on disconnecting in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, one thing is that the issue could be with the cable and it is very common. So try changing the cable. This said, except for the Ethernet cable, you can try other solutions. Like obviously check the physical connection. The Ethernet cable should be connected properly to the correct ports. Then power cycle the modem, router and computer. Switch off the modem, router, computer, all the three devices. Now switch on the modem only the modem, not the router, not the computer. Wait for the lights to be stable. Then switch on the router, wait for the lights to be stable, and then the computer. Now some people have a combined modem router all in one. So in that case, you will only switch off the modem router device and the computer, and then switch on the modem router device, wait for the lights to be stable, and then the computer. The next solution is to update the network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the first one and select Update Drivers. Search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Okay, and then right click on the Start button. Select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. The last solution will be Network Reset. This combines all other software level solutions like flushing the DNS, resetting the IP address, resetting WinSock. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, and then you can go to the Network and Internet tab. Select Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset, click on Reset Now, and finally on Yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.